Ivy Wed.
Ivy Wed.
2 spouses for life.
Yay! Pogi ng driver! Wow! Run! Going somewhere. Honeymoon dinner. To me. Nga. Leave me. Oh no. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is we're getting ready for the beach. We will go to the beach. I don't know where, but we're going to the beach because we have a lot of choices here. We have Porter Beach, West Beach, Camel Beach, name it. And we decided to go here at Indiana Dunes. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first is you need to have a clean face. So I just washed my face, put my moisturizer on, and I forgot to put my sunscreen. So I'm gonna use this Supergoop Play. So I'm going to use maybe 2 fingers. So one side for this. If you're wondering, this is how my skin looks right now. It's better than before because I tend to break out a lot when I'm in the Philippines. I don't know what happened when I got here. Ayun, magmukha tayong multo. I'll adjust the camera. Perfect. So I'm going to add another 1 finger sunscreen for my neck. Siyempre mamaya, buong katawan ko lalagyan ko, no? Para hindi tayo masunog. Sunog naman, masusunog pa. So we are here at Michigan City, Indiana for our honeymoon. We just got married. I'm married. Got married by the law. We will have a church wedding on September 16. Father Ed will bless our marriage. This is how my skin is looking right now. Glowy. Glowy ha, hindi mamantika. Next, we will use this Easy & Co concealer in the shade D04. I'm not so sure. I think they changed it. But I'm gonna put a little bit here and here. Para hindi tayo mukhang puyat. Kasi may bakbakan kagabi. Ay, charot. Bahala kayo kung maniniwala kayo. And then, I will use this brush. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. Sabi nila, dupe daw to ng Rare Beauty brush. So, let's just blend. We're just going to the beach, take some pictures. I'm not sure if we're going to dip in the water. Kahit na umaga at tanghali dito, the water is so cold. On the side of my nose, mga tira-tira dyan, para lang hindi pula-pula yung iba. Ganun. Hala, ano na, wide awake. Next, we will use a liquid blush. And this is a Beauty by Paul Annaring. This is in the shade Blushing Bride. Kasi bride tayo today. So, sobrang pigmented na to. So, wala akong pake. And then, using a small stippling brush. Ganito siya. Sa Shopee ko dito nabili. Blend lang natin siya. We got married on August 30th. Why? Because it is a super blue moon. And it's one of the rarest moon. Rarest? Or rarest? I don't know, basta bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Usually, it doesn't happen every year. we made it so special. That's why we got married on the blue moon. I'll put some blush here. Can't you believe now we got married on August 30th at 8:30. So it's basically 8:30 at 8:30. And then, so since we're going to the beach, let's get some contour. This is Strokes Beauty. And this is in the shade Cinnamon. Let's load our brush with the product. And stamp it. Stamp it right here. Actually, hindi ko naman na siya masyadong kailangan kasi sobrang ano na mukha ko. Alam niyo yan. So, hindi ko na itotodo. Baka magmukha na akong bungo. Ganyan-ganyan lang para ma-warm yung face. Kahit tostado na tayo. And of course, sa ating napakalaking noo. Next, we're going to brush our eyebrows. Naka-laminate na kasi ito eh. Nilaminate ko. So, mas madali na siyang i-style. Tapos, yung mga sparse area, lalagyan ko lang na itong Strokes pen. Eyebrow pen. Makapal na kasi yung kilay ko, so konti na lang. Yan, ganyan lang. Lagyan natin yung beauty mark ko. Meron akong nunal dito eh. Ayan, para kita lang siya. We're going to bronze our face. Makeup by Mario in the shade medium dark. So let's bronze our face. Sobrang ganda ng bronzer na to. Ewan ko. Para siyang may magic. Para siyang may filter. Ayan, sunog na tayo. Sunog na. And then we will set our face. I mean, a little bit become medyo glowy tayo. Tas, ayoko na masyadong glowing kasi nagmumukha akong mantika. Hindi ko bet. So we will use this Dr. Sensitive. What's the shade? Number 2. Let's just get some powder. Make sure lang na walang namuong concealer dito sa part na to. Kasi hindi siya cute kapag naset siya ng ganun. I will use this puff. This powder. Press. Blurred yan. Parang nagkaroon ng filter bigla. Actually, hindi ko naman isiset buong mukha ko ng powder. Yung onti lang, yung center. Para hindi tayo makamantika. Yan, hanggang dyan lang. The rest, bahala na. Siyempre, yung malaki nating noo, lagyan natin. Kasi sobrang laki niya. Huwag natin siya ipag-glow. Hindi cute. Ang divine. Hindi na siya mukhang nakakatakot. Nakakatakot! And then, let's go back to our bronzer brush. And let's just buff some of the outer perimeter of our face. And then, we will put a blush on top. I'm gonna use the Baron Bliss. I don't know. Paano mabigkasin yun? Yung blush nila in Vintage Rose. I don't know. Parang sobrang kino-complement ng balat ko tong shade na to. And then, I'll just grab my nose contour using my Makeup by Mario again. Mag-contour tayo ng konti lang sa ilong. Hindi ko naman na kailangan. Oh! Talaga ba? Ayan lang, okay na. Diba? May dimension na siya kahit papaano. Tapos lagyan natin ng konting brown shimmery. Brown shimmery. Lagyan ko lang yung buong mata ko ng bronzer. Ah, diba? Fresh na. Usually, naglalagay pa ako dito. Wala na. For a trick. Trickery! Nalagay ako dyan for a fuller lip effect. Habang sa taas din. Saan ko natutunan? Mama Pao! Mukha naman tayong awake. And then, we will use a Rare Beauty lip pencil. Ang ganda na yan to. Parang ano siya, hindi talaga siya nagtatransfer. So, let's use it. Overline lang natin siya ng konti. You know what I love about this lip pencil is kakulay siya ng lips ko. Kita nyo ba? Ito pa lang nilagyan ko. Ang galing. This is in the shade Wise. Yeah, Wise. Pak, biglang fuller lips. And then, yung bottom lips ko, hindi pantay. Ito, manipis. Ito. Ganun siya. Ito, manipis. So, i-overline ko siya ng konti dito. Tapos, susundan ko na lang yung lip shape ko talaga dito. Pumantay na. Very good. I will use this old and crusty Everbelena lipstick in the shade Toast of New York. I just press here. What else should I apply? Should I apply for a cute wing eyeliner? Okay, mag-apply tayo ng eyeliner. So, I will use this Maybelline Line Tattoo crayon pen. This is brown. Sa dulo lang, para magkaroon siya ng buhay. In fairness, dito transfer proof talaga to. Hindi siya kanya iiwan. Parang si Adam. Ginamit ko yung kuko ko para mag-ano. Pak, buhay. Actually, dito sobrang ninipisan ko lang kasi. Hindi nga pantay yung mata ko. Ano ba? Hindi pantay yung mata ko. Napapansin nyo ba? Ito walang fold. Ito, somewhere in the middle. Na hindi mo alam. Boogs. Ilagay nga rin ako dito sa lower part ng konti lang. Here. And then, smudge lang natin siya. I'm doing this trick para magmukhang marami tayong pilik mata. Because I'm not going to wear any mascara kasi parang nakaka-clump. Maliligo ko tapos. Ewan ko, ako lang naman yun ha. Next is I'm going to use this Urban Decay All-Nighter to set our makeup. Shake. Oh, tara. Pa-shake. Kala mo talaga may boobs. And then, let's set our face. I'll just fix my hair and I'll show you. So, here's the final look. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Please like and subscribe. And click the bell. Ding, ding, dong.